Hi, I'm going to answer this question. I personally do not know Charlie except the fact that she is the most followed TikToker, but I do think she is a really good dancer and she seems like such a nice person. Also, I've noticed that some people think I am a Charlie fan account because of my username. I can see how some people would think that, but I am not a Charlie fan account. For the people who didn't know, my name is Charlotte, but I shortened it to Char for my username so it wouldn't be super long. Charlotte x Fidgets 101 is a very long username, so I had to shorten it. This account is just a fidget account where I make videos of my fidgets. I hope this answers your question and clears some things up. Bye! Honestly, these fidgets are really boring. There's a girl over there with a lot of good fidgets. I'm gonna see if I can scam her. Hi, would you like to trade for any of my fidgets?
Sure.
What would you give me for the dimple digits? By the way, this is really hard to find.
I'll give you 2 poppets and a stress ball.
Could you add?
Okay, I'll give you a DNA ball and a dimple.
I'm really sorry, but could you add more?
Fine, I'll give you 6 monkey noodles and 1 Orbeez food.
Could you add one more thing?
Fine, I'll add this wacky track.
I think she's getting kind of mad. I'm just going to accept it. Okay, deal. No trade backs.
What would you give me for 3 marble meshes and a dough ball?
I'll give you this limited edition mochi.
Deal.
I can't believe she fell for it. That mochi wasn't actually limited edition. What would you give me for this wacky track?
2 marble meshes and a fidget pad.
Can I also have that infinity cube?
I guess.
Okay, fidget trading with my sister.
What will you offer for the dimple digits?
I'll give you this really good rainbow poppet, this infinity cube, and a tangle.
I accept.
Yay. I'll give you my carrot squishmallow if you could give me your carrot poppet and something small.
Sure. I'll also offer you this slinky.
Can I have something else instead of the slinky?
Fine, I'll offer you these acupressure rings.
Deal. This poppet is so good.
I'm not really interested in these anymore, so can you give me something for them?
I don't really want them either, but I can give you this cat mochi.
Okay, whatever.
Do you have anything good for these 2 poppets?
I'll give you this dimple and this Orbeez pineapple.
Wait, that's actually like such a good deal. I accept. This is so nice. I know you've been wanting a DNA ball, so what can you give me for it?
I'll give you a Nido.
Can you add?
Fine, I'll add a simple dimple.
Deal! Do I get paid for TikTok? So, fun fact, I'm actually not in the TikTok Creator Fund. So no matter how many views, likes, comments, shares I get on any video, I do not make any money from TikTok. I started this account for fidgets and to have fun, and I still do that. Sometimes I do get sent free fidgets to review on my TikTok account, but besides that, I do not make any money from TikTok. I am very lucky to have fidget companies reach out to me to review their fidgets, and I think it's so fun. I love fidgets so much, and being able to share my love for fidgets with you guys is so fun. Hopefully that answers your question. That's a good question. I actually have no idea how many fidgets I have. But I'm curious, how many fidgets do you think I have just from the looks of it? Here's the first drawer, the second drawer, and the third one. I also have this box of mochis. Now that you've gotten a quick look at all of my fidgets, how many do you think I have? Comment your guess. Bye! Hey guys! As you guys can see, I have a lot of fidgets and I don't really have any place to keep them. But I do have this box which I used to keep my mini brands in, but since I did sell those, I'm going to be trying to fit all my fidgets into this box. I will be getting more fidgets in the future, so this will just be a temporary place to keep them for now. I'm really hoping they all fit. So I tried to squeeze them in there as best as possible, and I would say I did a pretty good job. It also closes really well, so I think it fits just right. As my fidget collection grows, I might have to find a new place to store my fidgets, but for now, I think this is good. That's all, bye! Oh my gosh, thank you guys so much for 100,000 followers. I was not expecting to hit that so fast. That being said, I did order all the giveaway prizes, but they probably won't be here for 1 to 2 weeks. But as soon as all the giveaway prizes do come, I will be making a video. The giveaway is going to be US only, so if you do live outside of the United States, I'm really sorry, it's just that shipping is really expensive. I just wanted to make this video to update you guys about the giveaway since a lot of people were asking when I'm posting the giveaway video and when the giveaway is happening. I have a lot of packages coming in the mail and half of them are Fidget packages, so I will be making videos on here about those. I'm again really sorry that I have to delay the giveaway, but again, as soon as the giveaway prizes do all come, I will be making a video on here. And thank you guys again for 100,000 followers and all the support. That's all I wanted to say. Bye! Fidget package! Total Fidget Toys sent me a bunch of the awesome Poppets that they sell on their website. Fun fact, my first ever giant Poppet and my first ever mini Poppets were from their website. Link is in my bio to purchase some awesome fidgets. Oh my goodness, where do I start? I've decided that I'm going to start off with these brand new Poppet bracelets. These are so awesome and look how good they pop. It's super easy to attach and look how cool it looks. You can also pop it while you're wearing it. These hard shell Poppets look so awesome. Let's open them up. I'm so excited to pop these. Whoa. These pop so good. These pop so well on both sides. And I love the fun colors. These are the last Poppets. The pops are incredible. Look at all the detail that went into this Poppet. I love the strawberry. Can I do a tour with my fidgets? Of course I can. This is what my fidget setup currently looks like. I have my giant Poppet at the top and the slime lurker that I tried for the first time. By the way, these are very overhyped. The first drawer is definitely the messiest. In this green basket, I have my monkey noodles at the back. I didn't really know where to put them, so I just randomly put them there. Then I have pop tubes on the side and then all of my dimples. Then next to it, I tried to make it organized, but it didn't really work. My cubed fidgets are the only organized part of this drawer, but the rest is just a giant mess. Tangles, new water snake, marble mesh. That's it for the first drawer, and the second drawer is probably my favorite. It's just so organized, I love it. All of my mochis are on this side, and then over here is my Poppets organized in rainbow order. It's very satisfying to look at. My mini Poppets are just squeezed in between. The last drawer is nothing special, it's just all of my stress balls. That's all. Hi guys, I'm with my sister and I'm gonna have her rate my fidgets. Okay, let's start with the Poppet.
It's okay. I'd give it a 6.5 out of 10.
Okay. Okay, let's see what she thinks of this fidget pad.
I don't really like it, so I'd give it a 4.
Okay. Okay, next is this dough ball.
I really enjoy this, so it's really satisfying. I'd give it a 9.